Ho ho ho, and welcome to day 20 of Coordinated Mind Study Advent Calendar. Today we're going to be talking about past papers. These things will save you, seriously. After you've done your revision, because I'm all about making sure you know the content first, you need to make sure you go through past papers. Now, your way of going through past papers and my way of going through past papers might be different, so let me tell you how I do it. I'll do a past paper, like an exam, so I'll sit down and do it to time. I don't care if I finish in half an hour. If a past paper is an hour, I will sit there for the hour, right? Because I want to see how I would really perform, rather than an idea of what I would perform like. Then, of course, mark it. Mark schemes are really good for you to go through yourself, because what they actually do is show you where the examiner is looking for the mark. So if you completely mess it up, you can physically see what they're looking for. And then the next thing I do is I look at the examiner's report, if there is one. The examiner's report tells you the trends of what students have done that year. They are so good at pointing out pitfalls that students are always making, and then you can make sure that you don't make the same pitfalls. It also gives you an idea of where the examiners are coming from with the question. I find them, I'm a scientist, right? So I find them particularly good for science. I'm not the biggest fan of science GCSE syllabus. I'm not even the biggest fan of the A-level syllabus. I find some of the questions and some of the answers that they're asking for crazy. But to pass it, you need to use past papers, examiners' reports, and mark schemes to really see what the examiner is looking for you. So once you've done your revision, if you know all your information, that doesn't necessarily mean you'll do well in the exam. You need to do these past papers to make sure you can hone in on exactly how to answer the question that they're asking you. So that was day 20. I look forward to seeing you behind 21. We're in the 20s. And remember, as always, study like a boss.